Hey YouTube folks, this is Perry again. This is another video in this sort of three-part series about the trailer. What I'm doing today is I'm actually making a camera mount for my DROID RAZR cell phone. It's sort of a bootstrapping video because I'm using the old camera right now to shoot this video so that I can use this camera to shoot the next video. Anyway, this is a... Okay, so the plan of attack here is I'm going to cut out something sort of like this, or perhaps, you know, something sticking up, and then you know, this is going to be trued up on the bottom. There's going to be a tapped hole right here, and then the phone is going to sit in this area right here as sort of a cradle, and then the rubber band is going to loop back around the whole thing, and eventually you know, it'll just be a mount for holding that cell phone. So the screen will be on this side and then the camera will be sort of right here. Okay, so what we're going to do now is true up the edges of this plastic. This is a 3-inch Kurt vise mounted on a rotary table, and the reasons for that will become obvious in the next video. But what I'm using on this is just it's a high-speed steel 4-flute end mill, 1/2-inch diameter. Yeah, nothing real special. I'm just eyeballing this right now. But I've got to basically true all this up. The only sides, the front and back, that were original to the dimension of the plastic. The rest of it's all kind of... So, and this is black ABS. So that'll be interesting. Anyway, here we go. I'm at 1,000 RPM. About 1,600 RPM. Kind of eyeballing things right now. I don't really have a plan per se. Okay, so now I've got about a 3/8 of a lead in on that side. Little. I have to drop the knee down because I'm hitting. I think the camera is going to be in the way for the knee. Yeah, it's starting to hit the tripod. Let's do a little reposition here. Okay, got the knee down a little bit more, so I got some room. Yeah, okay. It's a little cramped in here. Building. And just eyeball in here. Okay. I think that's about good. A little more here. Okay, we're back. I went and got my little fly cutter and I ground a high-speed steel bit for it because I didn't have any. And so what I'm going to do here is just fly cut the top of this plastic. Now we're still at 1600 RPM. Down here, touch off, and back. Come down just a smidge more. Lock it. One thing you can tell, my tramming's pretty good. It's cutting on the both coming and going, both sides, so that'll do. Okay. Finish that side, let's flip it over and then get the other side. Okay, so what you can see here is I've drawn some layout lines. This line right here is approximately where I'm going to remove material, and that's where the phone is actually going to sit in this cradle. and then I'll put a notch back here, and then probably a notch right here that the rubber band can sit in, so it wraps around the phone and cradles it and holds it securely into the mount. So what we'll do, I'm going to try to hit that line and leave it. Do is I want to check my layout lines, see how close I really did hit to that. Looks like I hit it right on the mark, because that burr raised right there was right on it. Good. Let's see how we are for depth. I think that looks good. So we don't got to mess with that. What we got to do is step over. Sneak up on this dimension right here. So what I'm going to do is go back here, back it off. I'm going to test fit the phone. See if I need to go more. Okay, a little bit more. Based on my DRO, let's see, I'm 12206, so I'll go another, let's go 10, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3. I know, it's only 10 thousandths. But try not to get too aggressive. I want a nice snug fit in there. Okay, so that's 15. I knew I drew the line a little big. That's why I'm sneaking. Ooh, we're right there. Okay, I think let's back this off a little more. And then let's just kind of sneak that out. More. And perfect. Nice snug fit. Rubber band will hold it in. Okay, so that's done. Let's jack this up. Okay, so I did the grooves off camera. I had somebody come in here and chat with me, so anyway, I'm just setting up to drill a 1/4-20. Well, tap a 1/4-20 hole, so I gotta put a number 7 hole in it. And of course, all this stack up right here, it runs out of space on the knee real quick. So I'm just gonna kind of eyeball where I want that to be, because I've got another dimple I'm gonna have to do off camera, because, well, I'm gonna take the camera off the tripod to be able to do the next one. But I think that'll probably be good right there. Turn this down a bit. Maybe go like 700 RPM. That should be good. Okay. Well, you get the gist of that. I've got to take the camera off the tripod now so I can do the other hole. Okay, so this is the results of all of that work on this piece of plastic. There's the phone mounted to the tripod using the adapter, and it's mounted quite securely, so I can shoot from the other side, you can see. And well, there you go.